Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, today I am going to show a salmon fish on sea farm and how process salmon fish on factory. So let's start. By 2015, the world's population is expected to reach 9.7 billion people and food demand is expected to rise by 50%. Fish, especially farmed salmon, can be one way to satisfy this growing demand. Farmed fish is necessary to effectively manage and maintain both wild fish populations. And the ocean's natural diversity, as demand rises, puts more strain on the already overfished wild fish reserves. Aquaculture is the farming of fish in the ocean. Similar to how we raise animals on land, many fish species in the salmonids family go by the common name salmon. Both wild and farmed salmon are available, but Atlantic salmon, which is farmed, is the most rare available commercially. Salmon fish farming began as an experiment in the 19th-16th century, but it later developed into a thriving industry in Chile and Norway. In the last 40 years, the farmed salmon industry has expanded significantly, and today, almost 60% of the salmon produced globally is farmed. In contrast, only over 88 lakh tons of wild salmon were taken in 2022, whereas more than 20 lakh tons of farmed salmon were produced. As multiple natural factories frequently need to be present to achieve optimal salmon farming productivity, a new handful of farming regions, Chile, Norway, Canada, and Scotland, have historically dominated Atlantic salmon farming. These include a sheltered coastline, Chile water with a temperature range of 8 to 84 degrees, and ideal biological industries. Australia, the Faroe Islands, Iceland, Ireland, and New Zealand are currently home to salmon farming operations. About 3 years pass during the salmon aquaculture productivity cycle. The salmon are relocated to cages in sweater after refresh water conditions. When the farmed harvesting, they are moved to processing facilities where they are made ready for sale. For consumers, most salmon is sold as salmon filters, although you can also purchase whole fish. We understand that in order to meet future protein demands, farmed salmon output must explain. This water accompanied by considerable environmental impact reductions and increase in resource efficiently. We are committed to searching out and supporting advices in aquaculture that assure yourself that the salmon you purchase comes from Atlantic Canada. First of all, it tastes good. Salmon fish Atlantic Canada is adored worldwide. In fact, it is the second largest agri-food export from the Atlantic Canada. This is grown by Atlantic Canadians right here in our pristine cold seas. You can feel good about helping out a neighborhood farm. Fresh salmon rises in the Atlantic Canada region is inexpensive, healthy, and radiantly available all year long. It's also one of the most environmentally friendly proteins you can consume, making it a popular dietary option for the people who are worried about climate change and want to lessen their influence on the environment. Change to words, structural changes, longest unchanged word. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much.